We're a diversified manufacturer. We make agricultural equipment, we make turf equipment, we make hydraulic equipment, but agriculture, that's where we got our start here in Harper, in rural Kansas.
Harper Industries' history goes back to the late 60s. The goal was simple: move hay better. So in 1969, Dewey Hosteller, a local entrepreneur, built the Haymobile and later founded Dewey's with this simple idea in mind. It worked well, easily picking up bales without the need for a large crew. But bales changed, becoming bigger, and so Dewey's changed too. Just a few years after the Haymobile, Dewey's developed a machine, the 265 bale pickup, to handle these new, rounded, larger bales. What resulted was the company's most successful product to date. In making the 265, Dewey's had developed a durable hydraulic system to power their bale beds, which worked very well for powering all sorts of equipment, including wreckers, aerial lifts, and more. In 1980, Howard Hirschberger took over operations, and from there, things just kept moving. In 1991, Dewey's was purchased by the Waso Corporation, based in Philadelphia. After 7 years, Waso approached Tim Penner, then the president, and asked if he wanted to buy the company.
Then I went back and talked to the staff, and we decided to purchase the company at that time.
From there, Harper Industries was formed, and things grew quite quickly. In 2002, Harper Industries bought Goosen Industries in Beatrice, Nebraska, and expanded the turf sector. And in the following few years launched new editions of bale beds, greatly improved product lines, and developed another, larger hillside mower.
Our number of employees has grown from around 50 people in 1998 to 105 people right now.
I've been here 14 years and we have grown nearly every year, and we're very innovative, and so to be able to live in a small community and have such a nice facility to work at is pretty neat.
The overall culture stays the same in that we care about the people. We still contribute 10% of our profits to charity, so the values remain the same.
I think the thing that is most important to me is the focus that we put on people.
You know everybody, if you're from here, you know their family, their family's family.
The average tenure of people is over 9 years. If we didn't have such great people here, we wouldn't be the business that we are.
I feel really fortunate to be a part of this company. It's really a great work environment, and you can feel the momentum building even right now, where things are going in even a more positive direction.
Over 4 decades, Harper Industries has continuously adapted and improved, and has grown from a simple idea to a diverse, successful company with firm roots in the community and its employees.